Stop talking like that, Jimmy. You're gonna give me nightmares. Come on, you stupid butterfly. Hey, Jimmy, are you scared it's gonna hurt? No parents. Well, did they all go to Florida? I don't digest pulp well. It makes me bloaty. Llamas and capybaras. I like your useless shrink ray, Jimmy. Oh, come on, Jimmy. Some of the greatest inventors started as complete hopeless failures, too. That's good. And there's a petting zoo? Yeah, but my parents sorta told me. Okay, this is my inhaler. It provides fast-acting relief of broncho swelling due to asthma or allergies. One touch of the button and... I can't see! Prototype, huh? Well, you know that looks good too. Hey, Jimmy, wanna see a frog? Thanks. What are you doing? Careful. Thanks. Hello? Jimmy? I don't know, Jimmy. I gotta get to school on time. Besides you. No, I didn't mean Jimmy! Help! Okay.